Hey there. So, with this whole YouTube thing, I make a little bit of money off of the ads that run in the videos, but I don't make that much money, and no one's contacted me to like pay me money to be a sponsor. But someone has wanted to send me stuff so I can take a look at it and talk about it on the channel, which is cool. So I got a bunch of stuff here in this box. The name of the company is Atlas. I'll put links in the descriptions down below. But right now, I'm just gonna open these, take a look at what we got, and then I'll talk about each one individually. Ooh, a white chair with a crazy frame. Awesome. We'll talk about that in a second. Oh yeah, this is cool. Not this. This is just a pad. This, the ghost chair. Awesome. And this crossback chair. Which this pad goes for. All right, so those are the three things we got here: crossback chair, ghost chair, and a white non-padded chair with what appears to be a different kind of frame. It's not white powder coated. Whatever, I'll talk about this in a second. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna go over is this crossback chair, which matches my Fruitwood farm tables, which is really cool. If you've seen some of the videos, we just bought an Airbnb that's kind of like rustic. It's an old converted barn. And what we're gonna do is put farm tables in there to replace the tables they have in there currently. And I didn't know what kind of chairs I was gonna put around. We're playing with some options, but this is perfect. Put this there without the pad. People can stack them if they want, out of the way or whatever. But this is perfect. It goes right with it. It looks good. So let's talk about this. Just from my first initial review, looking at it, it's solid made. It's great. It's made all wood and metal screws and everything. It's very sturdy. I sat on it. I'll freaking jump on it. Okay, I just jumped on it. I weigh close to 200 pounds. Nothing. Perfect. So these chairs can be rented out with the pad or without the pad. In my market, these would go out for about $10 to $11 a piece with the pad. And then people would be like, well, if we don't get it with the pad, can we get it for less? Yeah, sure, okay, $1 less. But this is very nice. This matches my Fruitwood farm table. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get something like this, if not these, for my barn venue without the pad. The people can stack them. Oh yeah, they do stack right here. There's there's the hole for them to stack. So you can stack these about 8 high, more if you want, but generally 8, and be able to move them around easy. So I mean, this is a beautiful chair. I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to take a razor to it in an inconspicuous spot and see what happens. Okay, so I just want to see what happens or how easy this is. Well, obviously that was easy. This is not going to be something you do all the time, obviously. Yeah, it's wood. What I thought it was going to be, but it's nice wood. It's not cheap veneered crappy particle stuff. This is solid wood all the way through, so that's nice. All right, so that is the Fruitwood crossback chair. It's a solid chair, solid wood, not cheap Chinese crap. It's not loose or anything. A lot of times when you get the Chinese stuff, it's already loose when you get it. Everything here is already tight. Seems, if you're into these chairs, if your market can handle these, I would check them out. Now, what I'm really excited about is the ghost chair. have actually never seen one in person. Obviously I knew what they are or whatever, but I haven't seen one in person. My market doesn't care about them. I mean, sometimes people want them, but they don't want to be spending the $13, $14 per chair to rent them. So it's not worth us to buy them. But a lot of markets, if you live in a city or near a city, ghost chairs are probably something that you're going to get going out a lot. If you go out on Pinterest, you'll see pictures of these all the time. It probably will ebb and flow with the demand for them, but they're here to stay. All these companies make these to stack. This one stacks, you can stack 7, 8 high. You don't have to have these just sitting in your warehouse, not be able to stack. They stack. They're made for rental companies. I think this is really cool. It's a lot sturdier than I even thought it would be. The legs have all these ridges everywhere to add force to make it sturdy. And this is like a cool chair. I really wish that my market demanded this. We're gonna put this for seating in our office area when customers come in, and people are gonna say, "Oh, can I get this chair?" So maybe if I have this in the office area and people actually see it, and they say, "Can we get it?" And I'm like, "Yeah, it's $13, or maybe I'll probably do $15 or whatever a piece." And once they see it, they may just fall in love with it and then want it. So maybe I'll be able to get it out just from having this chair in here. Thank you, Atlas, for giving me this, because if I have it in in there, maybe people are gonna rent it, and then I can buy these and get these out and have some really cool pictures and whatever. Okay, last chair. It's just a white folding chair. The difference is the frame. Do you see that frame? This is like a very light aluminum frame, as opposed to this one, which I don't know what this is, but this one's painted white, and this chair is a lot heavier than this chair. So yeah, the frame's not white, but I don't think people notice that. They see the mostly white chair, and this is a lot lighter. So I can carry 20 of those white non-padded chairs. I can probably carry 24. I can only carry as far as my arms can reach down and grab. But it is heavy and it sucks. So most of the time we only carry 10 at a time. 10 of these would probably be like 5 of those ones. I mean, this thing is so light, so light. I've seen these advertised, like Palmer Snyder has a chair like this too, but like I felt like I was already so deep into what I already owned that getting this would just not make sense. But if I were to start all over again, yeah, I would probably go with this. This is an efficiency thing, and you know me, I'm big on efficiency. If this is lighter to carry around, it just means it's faster to carry around. This might be a few dollars more, but in the long run, you're gonna save lots of money. Let's see if this stacks. Okay, so the top chair is a Palmer Snyder chair, the bottom chair is the Atlas chair, and they stack together just fine. 100% stackable with your current inventory. And having them side by side, you can't really tell too much the difference between the white and the non-painted. It won't be that major of a factor. So yeah, this chair is cool. Crazy how light this chair is. I wish I had 10 of them here right now so I could lift up 10 of them and see what it compares to the other, because it's crazy light. And like I said, it's light, so it means you can carry more at a time, or if you have them on a dolly, it's just easier to push that dolly or hand cart. It's efficiency. So if you're just starting out, take a look at these chairs. All these chairs, I'm gonna put a link in the description to what their brand and model is. But take a look at these kind of chairs, whether they're from Atlas or Palmer Snyder or McCourt or whatever. The chairs that have the aluminum frame, they might be a little more expensive, but in the long run, it's gonna save you time, and time saves you money. So all these chairs are from Atlas. I'll put the link in the description. I want to thank Will from Atlas for sending these to me. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just one company sending me things to take a look at. So thank you. And you know, I put the ghost chair in over there, so hopefully people come in and see it and are like, whoa, can we rent this? This fruitwood chair, I'll seriously take a look at that for our barn venue. I need 50 of them. We're gonna put 6 farm tables in the dining room. Dining room's huge, and put them around there. So, I mean, that's very cool. So, I mean, what's cool about this whole YouTube thing is, you know, I had this opportunity to get these things, which I wouldn't have normally maybe ordered or even looked at. And now we've got that, which matches my farm table, which is going to be, you know, cool for the barn venue. And I got this in my office. So it's all very cool. And then it also allowed me to like see chairs from a company I've, you know, never seen them from before, and show you. So if you're just starting out, you know, check out Atlas, check out Palmer Snyder, check out McCourt, check out Global Event Sales. But you know, check them all out, get prices, order samples, see what you like best, and go from there. I mean, take my advice. If you're just starting out, get the white and regular chairs that have aluminum frame. It's just gonna make stuff a whole lot easier and faster for you. Again, thanks Will from Atlas, and thanks everyone for watching.